Yo, Jess the Kid, is that you?
Yes, sir, bro. What's good? What's
Bro,
your name?
I'm Loki.
Loki?
Yeah.
That's your name?
Yeah, that's my name.
That's fire, bro. What's up? What you doing at Ross?
I'm just chilling around.
You chilling?
We need a new video.
New video?
Yeah.
Bro, I've been trying to post another video, but I don't have any ideas, bro. You got any ideas for me? We're at Ross.
Let's do a Clipper challenge.
Clipper challenge. We're already here. Like a Ross Clipper challenge?
Of course.
Ross Clipper challenge video?
Yeah, of course.
Should we do it? Okay, because we're gonna do Walmart. We're gonna do Burlington. But I mean, shoot, might as well start the series off. We're gonna start the new series off. It's gonna be called the Clipper Chronicles. We're gonna do a Clipper challenge. And I mean, yeah, we're at Ross. Let's do it, bro. YouTube, is just the kid, and we're back with another banger. Today we are doing, as you heard in the intro, a Ross Clipper challenge. Right now we're at Ross Dress for Less. I used to shop here. Many people used to shop here. Cameraman, you shop at Ross? Yeah?
Yep.
Sometimes? Exactly. So what we wanted to do is start off the Clipper Chronicles series at Ross. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we got a precision T-blade right here. Looks pretty trash, but it's wireless at least. Same thing in black, because once you go black, you never go back. Okay, so we have this. We got a shaver right here. It's also wireless, and then we need a clipper now. So I'll take this one. Or which one, guys? Let me know in the comments. Which one's cheaper? 12 bucks and 11 bucks. Great. That's your answer. We got the wall clippers. These aren't even clippers. Those are T-lines. Hey, if you know me as an OG, this is the first toolkit I started out with these ones. So I'm gonna try to get something different because I already have these. These all look. These look really bad. I'm gonna go with these ones though. Wait, maybe there's better ones right here. Or these are like shaving kits, yeah. Shaving kits. There's the trimmer. But there's no better clippers. I don't think so. So I guess we'll go with this trimmer, which looks pretty trash. I don't know if it's even gonna cut. Mind you, I'm cutting outside of the park this guy. You guys see later? Full grown apple. Okay, we'll take this one. Which shaver is cheaper now? $9. Rechargeable foil. Alright, I'll take this. And then actually this one's $9 too, looks better. Someone like opened it though. I wonder if it's stolen. I'll not take that one. Alright, we'll take these ones right here. Alright, let's go.
Can you back or the scale?
24, 27. Alright, thank you. Alright, we got the goods. Let's go spawn back into GS headquarters. Oh, turn on the M3. Alright, we got the good stuff now. M3's on. Let's go spawn into GS headquarters. Sailing the seas of broken hearts. Alright, boys. We've acquired the client. Now listen, what did I tell you today? I told you you were just gonna come and we're gonna do a nice haircut outside of the park. But here's a plot twist for you. We're doing the haircut. It's a Ross Clipper challenge video. All the clippers I bought for $24.99 total at Ross. And you haven't got a haircut in 6.
Hey, I'm not getting no haircut. No Ross Clipper.
It's fine, bro. Think about it like this. It's like about the driver, not the car. You know what I mean? Like, yes. Let me. Okay, how long has this been since your haircut? 6 months?
Yeah,
3, 4?
4 months.
You look crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Also, I don't know why your shirt is off, but let's do it. So, guys, the other thing we acquired, come here. Because there's no other wireless clipper right there, I had to delay this vlog and order this one in. And I had this from Temu.
Bro.
So we're not gonna be using any of these. Only the clipper. Get right, don't get left. We got the guards right here. What even guards? I don't even know what guards these even is. No cap. But let's make it happen. It's about the barber, not the tools. Ready?
Guys, I hope this guy doesn't cook me.
Alright. First thing, these trimmers. The top tier, it says precision. Let's see how precise it is. Drop a sub if you made it this far. I spent my money on your guys' entertainment, and he's sacrificing his head for you to be happy at home.
Wait, so what kind of cut do you think about getting?
Enough talking.
What kind of cut do you think about getting? Hell no.
Do we think about, buddy? You're getting the haircut.
Homegirl, no.
Okay.
Okay. Let me choose my cut.
Alright, mid taper.
Or high taper.
High taper, let's go. High taper easier, so it's easier not to mess up.
Fine.
Alright, high taper right here.
Guys, please.
Okay.
Hey, and please do not cut my sides down.
Stop talking.
Please do not cut my sides down.
Alright, fine.
If you cut my sides down, me and your cameraman are gonna jump.
Okay, it's gonna die. Stop talking so much. We have other stuff to do. Alright, ready? So guys, ball line, let's see if these are hitting. Come closer. Let's see. Oh, is it pulling?
These feel like the worst clippers I've ever felt in my life.
Is that pulling or no?
Oh, yeah.
Not working at all.
Next time use better clippers.
Okay, here we go. Stop. This was the point of the video. Okay, ball line looks good. Just gotta be a little aggressive with it. Okay, other side. Same thing. Hey, calm down.
No, that was from behind me, bro. God damn, it hurt, bro.
Is it pulling or what?
Bro, stop, bro. God damn.
Oh, chat, I rate these like a 1 out of 10. It's not even cutting. Okay, calm down. I can't actually see guys either, so we're gonna see how this goes. Look, getting all the peach fuzz, and it's just flying. Okay, ball them out. All right, turn around for me. Turn around. I'm gonna hit you from the back. Come on. Show, look up. I can't even see here. There. All right, and while we're at it, let's get his back here. Bang. Cool. Clean. All right. That's it. Try out is our shaver right here, and then we'll bring the vacuum out after. All right. This looks terrible. Let's try it out. That's actually not bad. It's not pulling, right?
Nah.
It doesn't seem bad.
Does your barber do this to you?
All right, let's do this side. All right, these actually don't feel bad. You know, it's really not about the. Turn on. Oh, someone's ripping it. It's really not about the barber. I mean, the tool. It's really about the barber. All right, this worked. Now we're done with this one. I can just throw it away. In the comments, I'm doing a giveaway on all these tools. Comment your Instagram, follow my Instagram at GSTheKid, and comment why I should give you all these tools for free. And I'm gonna pick someone.
I'll do that.
You want these? Well, you're not getting them. Someone in the comments will. So.
Hey!
Now we're gonna take our clipper and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Go right here. Actually, matter of fact, I didn't even bring a comb or a brush or nothing. The clipper did come with a comb, so I actually it did not. We do not have a comb. All right, let's try it out. Oh shoot, it's not doing anything. All right, take the guard off. Okay, it's actually working. I think the clippers, look, the lever like from closed to open is such a small area of distance. It's not even working right. But it's okay. All right, other side. Guard. I don't know what guard this is, guys, either. It doesn't say. So, we're just gonna guess. All right, I'm gonna go lever open again. I actually can't see, guys. So we're gonna guess again.
God damn, this shit hurt.
It's hurting or what?
Yeah.
I rate these like a 4 out of 10. They're a little better. Okay,
Ow,
from the
it's
back,
moving.
from the back, from the back. All right, up a little bit. Okay. Next guard. Ready? All right, next step. Ripping with this. I'm not sure what guard this is.
Do not cook me, sir.
Bang.
Bro, stop hurting me.
Stop.
You are hurting
Is it
me.
actually hurt?
Yes.
Okay. I thought you were trolling on him. As you guys can see, I can't see. It's lighting, so we're guessing.
Do not come back here, please.
I won't. Like the size, I won't. I genuinely can't see. Look up. Mind you, I didn't charge any of these either, so we're just going. If it dies, it dies. Okay. Not bad. They're like, what in the world is going on? Now the issue here is that I seem to have absolutely no other guards except for trimmer guards. So plot twist, we're gonna use trimmer guards to blend the rest of the fade with no lever. Trimmer guard on, this way. Oh, look at that, it's working. Oh,
Slam your barber game.
look at that, guys. YouTube. Don't play with me now, play with me later. Look at that. Boom. Get it saucy with it. All right, look this way. Okay. Let's get in there. Bang. How does that make you feel? Ready? We're gonna freehand it again. It smells like weed now. Can't see. Come back, turn a little bit. All right, YouTube, and now we're just flicking out. All right, it's all in the wrist work. So the next thing, what we're gonna do? Come on, look. All right, we're gonna freehand it. Bang. Look at that. Turn around. Back. This one's gonna be a little harder. Look up a little bit. Oh, turn. That hurt.
You've been laughing.
Did it hurt, Abu?
Yes,
Talk to the chat.
Get after.
Okay, I'll slow down. It's because of the speed. Your hair is really thick.
What is wrong with you? Like, do you not know how to cut hair? Do it properly.
Dude.
You are a
Dude.
professional.
Dude.
You are a professional.
Dude.
Cut my hair.
Nah, hold up. Look at what I'm using. When have you ever seen this ever? It's a trimmer with a guard on it. I never heard about that before. Come back. All right, we're gonna freehand it with. Oh, actually, you see how I can't see anything? I wonder how this is working. Hey, you can't check it out till we're done. That's against the rules. All right, I'll take the guard off. Now, freehand with the corners. Actually, I can do that with the clipper. Let's go back here. Turn. Okay, other side. Turn. All right. Pretty blendy. Let's get the other trimmer guard. This one, that was a 3mm. This is a 4mm, so I gotta blend up.
I swear.
YouTube.
I'm gonna kill
Now
you.
we trolling him. We
I'm
trolling
gonna kill
him.
you.
We're trolling him.
Did he?
No.
Did he cut a big chunk of my?
No, it's all there.
No, low key. Be for real.
There's no chunk missing.
Cause I'm gonna beat the hell out of this.
There's no chunk missing.
That's fine. Looking
There's
fine.
nothing. Look back. I was trolling you, bro. I was trolling
That's
you.
looking fine.
We work with what we got. All right, this way. It's like you're sculpting a bush.
Bro, I feel like my hair is like getting cooked, bro. Like genuinely.
Bro, it's not. It's not.
Bro, what kind of cook? You
Wait,
got
don't-
these
don't-
clippers
wait,
from
wait.
Burlington, bro. You got
No,
these-
no, from Ross, even cheaper. We didn't have time to go to Burlington. That's the next video. Comment if you want Burlington Clipper Challenge. Hey, let me know in the comments. You want Burlington Clipper Challenge? All right, turn around, back.
Yo!
Don't do all that. Don't yell like that. Come on.
I'm getting touched, bro.
Baro, don't do that again. Okay, stop. Get off the curb. You're too tall.
I'm too top.
Yeah.
Guys, who do you guys think is the best barber in Cali? GS the Kid or JV?
GS the Kid is currently cutting you with a trimmer on the street. So, I'm not so sure about best. All right, last trimmer guard before we move on to trying to line him up with the trimmer. I don't know. The guard is stuck, chat. Hold up. Ow. That genuinely hurt. Okay, ready? Last one before I go back to the clipper. No, matter of fact, we're gonna make it even harder, YouTube. Double fist.
No!
All right.
No!
You
You are not playing with my hair!
All right, back to work.
Would you guys trust your barber to like do this? Is it easier to cut hair or do content?
100% cut hair. Anyone can cut hair, but not everyone can actually grow into a successful business and make content out of it. Turn from the back.
What's the best way to build clients as a beginner barber?
Best way to get clients as a beginner barber, I would say, is by making sure that you go out to people. You know, literally how we're at a park right now is how I started out. I used to actually come here and go ask people, hey, can I cut your hair for free, first cut free, can I do all that, and really get past social anxiety. You know, I had a little bit of anxiety still coming back here to shoot this. We're like literally standing in the middle of the street, but we came out here and we did it anyway, and we're getting a banger video out of it, you know, all that good stuff. And other thing is messaging people, you know, talk to everyone, make connections, all that good stuff like that. Ready? Now, because we ran out of guards, we're doing the last part with the clipper. It's actually looking clean, look at that. It's freehand work, straight freehand. Don't move at all. If you move, you're gonna be bald. Bang, look at that. It's looking clean, chat. Let me know in the comments right now, am I frying him before we get to the after?
Why are you spitting on me?
I'm sorry. Looking clean, I'm sorry. Do you want a cookie or something?
Do you want me to smack you?
No.
Okay, then shut up.
Look at my face, chat. Pure confidence. Watch this, chat.
Stop spitting on me.
Alright, watch this, chat. Watch. Look, we call that the no-look fade. And I'm just gonna rake the hairline. Alright, you ready? We're gonna do this lineup.
Cállate la boca.
Oh yeah, YouTube, we get that crispy line. And YouTube, honestly, yeah, this isn't working at all, honestly. So I don't want to like leave him like this, because like what in the world is that? It looks crazy. So actually we're gonna use the good trimmer. This is actually my own YouTube channel, so I can actually do this. And he's probably grateful for this too. I'm gonna use the real trimmer to fix this. Even this trimmer is not so zero gapped. But yeah, a little better at least.
Yo! See what he does? See what he does? Guys, I'm used to this, bro.
I gotta see. This is the only way I can see. Oh.
It's one. Little twine.
So you see, it doesn't look straight there, and then he looks down, and it looks straight. All right, chat. We have finished the haircut. I have my collar done because I don't want it to get. Okay. So we finished it. Let's go ahead and get a nice little showcase video of the. Let's get a showcase video of the cut.
What's the point of that?
Okay. Abu, now we finished. How are you feeling? Talk to him. Take a look at yourself in the mirror. Open your phone and take a look at yourself. Looks
bad.
clean.
Not bad.
Not bad with the Timo clippers.
Wait. Why is this shit not faded in?
What?
Why is it not faded? Guys, I
No,
told
it's
you guys.
calm. It's calm. Don't stop doing this
If your
stuff.
barber ever disrespects you, bro, you gotta whip him, bro.
You want to walk back? Okay, no, stop. No more games. No more funny stuff. Obviously, look, I'm gonna get you guys a showcase. Here, cameraman, let me get this. Hold this real quick. Whew, hairline. Okay. The taper is clean. Back, decent. Other side of the back. I think also, chat, this is like half due to the lighting. But yeah, this side is hella clean. Look at that. Look at me. Look at that. Ooh.
Why am I getting whipped by a white person, bro?
10 out of 10, what do you think? All right, it's just a kid. We're gonna come back. Let me know, do we go Burlington, Target, Temu, or Amazon Clipper Challenge next?
Guys,
I got some big stuff coming soon. Gonna be moving into the headquarters on the 28th of this month. Got my own pad, crazy stuff. High rise, 14th floor. Anyway, what do you think about the cut? It's pretty decent for the tools. And we're outside. Thank you for being down for it. It's my guy Abu the Kid right here. It's GS the Kid. Drop a sub, like, comment, and comment again for the giveaway. DM my Instagram at GS the Kid if you want to order any Takeover GS product, all natural, 100% at Takeover by GS. DM me to order. Anyway, we're gonna be back at it like a crack addict.
Hold on.
Hold up.
Guys, please go show some love because I sacrificed.
Show some love to me. So listen, show some love.
Show some love to Abu, bro.
Of course. Hey, drop W Abu in the chat. Anyway, we're gonna be back at it like a crack addict. But for now, we're out because we're on a roll like sushi. Let's go.